In this video, I'll walk through setting up Tailscale using Docker on a UGREEN NAS. If you're new to Tailscale, it is a zero-config mesh VPN built on the WireGuard protocol that creates a secure private network between your devices. Tailscale also allows your nodes to connect to other devices on your LAN that can't install Tailscale locally if you set up your UGREEN NAS as a subnet router. You can also configure your UGREEN NAS as an exit node, which acts like a VPN gateway if you want a Tailscale client to route internet traffic through the location and internet service that your UGREEN NAS is using. We'll cover all of these setups in this video, but for further details, check out the links I provided in the description below. To use Tailscale, you'll need to create an account by going to tailscale.com and clicking on this link to get started. You can sign up with any of the listed identity providers. In my case, I've already signed up using an existing Google account. I've also already configured Tailscale on my MacBook Pro, which I'm currently using, as we can see from the machine section from the Tailscale web console. To add a UGREEN NAS to the Tailscale network, or Tailnet as they call it, you'll need to generate an Auth key. To do this, click Settings, then Keys under the Personal Settings section. Next, click Generate Auth Key to open the Generate Auth Key window. Enter a description for the key, leave everything else as is, and click Generate Key. Copy the new key and save it somewhere safe, because once you click Done, you won't be able to view it again. Now from the UGREEN NAS UI, open the Docker app, select Project, and click Create. Name the project Tailscale, then copy and paste in the docker compose.yaml file that you'll find in the pinned comment of this video. Paste in the auth key you generated earlier as the value for the ts_auth key environment variable. Also, make sure the volume points to the correct directory for your Docker shared folder. Then click Deploy to download the Tailscale image and start the project. If you switch back to your Tailscale web console and click on Machines, you should now see your UGREEN NAS listed as an additional machine in your Tailnet. For my home setup, I have multiple internet providers, and both my UGREEN NAS and MacBook Pro are currently on my cable connection. What I'll do is disconnect my MacBook Pro from that network and connect it to my fiber internet provider, so I'm no longer on the same LAN as the UGREEN NAS. This will help me demonstrate how Tailscale works. Now, if I bring up my UGREEN NAS UI and reload the page, the connection hangs because I can no longer access the NAS using its local IP address. However, through Tailscale, I can use the Tailnet IP address assigned to the UGREEN NAS to connect from my MacBook Pro without any issues. If you just need to access your UGREEN NAS through Tailscale, you can stop here and you're all set. However, as mentioned earlier, Tailscale allows your UGREEN NAS to act as a subnet router. To set this up, open Control Panel, then Network, to identify the local network your UGREEN NAS is on. In my case, the network is 192.168.103.0, and the subnet is 255.255.255.0, or a /24. Next, open the Docker app again, select Project, and click on the Tailscale project. Click Compose Configuration, uncomment the ts_routes environment variable, and enter your network information. Once done, redeploy the Tailscale project. Switch back to the Tailscale web console, and you should now see subnets listed under your UGREEN NAS. From the NAS menu, select Edit Route Settings, enable the Subnet route by clicking on its box, and click Save. You'll also want to disable key expiry so the default 180-day re-authentication requirement is disabled. Now, if I connect to the UGREEN NAS using its usual local IP address, it loads properly. I'm also able to connect to a Synology NAS on the same network without any issues. To confirm, I'll disable Tailscale on my MacBook Pro, and now access to both systems hangs. Re-enabling Tailscale restores access, so it looks like the subnet routing is working as expected. The last feature I'll configure is setting up the UGREEN NAS as an exit node. This can be useful if you're traveling and want your Tailscale connected laptop to route all traffic through your home internet connection to bypass geo restrictions. To set this up, log back into your UGREEN NAS and open the Docker app. Select Project, click on the Tailscale project, and then click Compose Configuration. Uncomment the ts_extra_args environment variable, which includes the advertised exit node option, and redeploy Tailscale. Switch back to the Tailscale web console, and you should now see exit node listed under your UGREEN NAS. From the NAS menu, select Edit Route Settings again, enable Use as Exit Node, and click Save. To test the exit node, I'll run this command from a terminal session on my MacBook Pro to return my current public IP address for the internet connection I'm currently using. Then I'll enable the exit node from the Tailscale menu. Running the same command again shows a different public IP address, confirming that all my internet traffic is now routing through the UGREEN NAS and its network. Hopefully you've got Tailscale configured on your UGREEN NAS the way you want. If this video helped with your setup, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Lastly, if you'd like to support my work or hire me to help configure Tailscale on your UGREEN NAS, you can contact me by clicking on the link on screen or in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.